Hi, Gareth here, and today we're on the Crown Princess. And we are on Dolphin Deck, and this is our cabin right here, D114. Notice. So let me just put and the door unlocks, my medallion. That's made for dog collars. You've probably seen them by now. We talk about them all the time. And we have a mini suite this time, a mini suite. So it's actually more space than we need. But, hey, it's got a mirror. It's got a double mirror, right? So that's the first thing I'm going to show you. It's got the usual safe. It's got wider and maybe a little deeper shelves, but definitely wider than a regular balcony cabin like we usually have. So we spread out. Yeah, that's my underwear. Bathroom. We get the robes. It has a bathtub. Look at that. A bathtub. That's cool. Now, one thing that concerns me, we just got on board a couple hours ago, is that being there instead of there. So I don't know whether this is an issue. And another thing I don't like, that doesn't come off. I like the shower heads that come off, but this is an older ship, as you probably know. It does have shower gel and does have shampoo and conditioner as one, and they look exactly the same. That stuff we brought. Towels, hand holders, so shower curtain. It still has the clothesline. Right? Oh, it's not working. There. So it still has that clothesline up there. And it's still probably the best place to dry clothes, especially on this cruise, because it's an Alaska cruise. Now this turns on the water, so water pressure, and this is temperature. And it has a lock at 38 degrees. So I could go really hot, so be careful. So more towels. They are very serious about cruise health, and don't throw anything in there but toilet paper. So here we have lotion, eucalyptus and sea salt, and here we have hand soap, eucalyptus and sea salt. I don't know if that's upgraded because it's a mini suite. It has 3 shelves, a little outlet for my electric razor. I didn't bring the charger though because I don't think it'll need it. Of course, toilet paper right here next to the toilet. We were on the Sky Princess a couple weeks ago, and the toilet paper was way over here. It wasn't that far because the bathroom wasn't this big. Look at that. Wow. Tissues, extra toilet paper, bath mat, trash can, sink. Pretty standard. Big closet. Don't know that it's any bigger than normal ship or normal cabin, balcony cabin. When I say normal, I'm talking balcony. But there was enough hangers for all our clothes. Big shelf. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of it. It's got beautiful artwork. Has beautiful girls. Nightstands. I think this is an automatic, motion sensitive light. It's not dark in here yet, so I can't tell you. I will say there are no outlets and no USB ports on either nightstand. Okay? The bed seems comfortable, and it's got a big mirror and another mirror and a TV. And this is our mini bar setup, and so right in here is a refrigerator with the rest of our mini bar setup, because we're elite, so we get that complimentary on every cruise. It's cool, maybe not cold, but, give it time. Ice bucket, but we asked for that. It's got cabinets galore that we're not going to use. It does not have a vanity drawer. Okay, it does have a chair and a vanity with a mirror, with a light somewhere. There it is. Not a big light, but blow dryer, phone, no USB port. These are the only two outlets that are accessible by us. And I'm going to show you something else in a minute. What a mini suite is this extra room with this couch, another TV, because we don't have enough TVs. Let's talk about the TV real quick. So it's got, you know, Princess Prizes and Queen C's Blackjack and Dine My Way, and you know, you can order, you can not order, well yeah, you could order on the TV. You could also make your reservations on the TV. Princess Patter, The Wake Show, all that. I want to show you the movies and the regular TV. So Princess offers lots of movies. Lots of movies. All these categories, or most of these categories, have, you know, several movies in them. They're on demand and they're free. There's no charge for any of them. And like I say, you watch them when you click it, you play it. You can watch the trailer first. Live TV is very limited. BBC, CNBC, Fox News, MSNBC, so I hope you like NBC or Fox. And then a bunch of sports channels, the bridge cam. The bridge cam is where you can hear the announcements, which don't come in the cabin sometimes, most of the time. If you play the bridge cam, whenever they make an announcement, it'll come through there. There are also TV series that you can watch. If you are not stupid. Love Boat? Oh, it's split up by season. I've never seen that before. Where it was split up by season. And more shelves, which we don't have enough stuff to fill them up. You'll notice though, there is no outlets anywhere there. I imagine there's one behind the refrigerator. There's not one there, there's not one there. There is, however, one empty outlet behind each television. So we may access those. Here. See that? So, some people will say they want to see the back of these TVs. HDMI, USB, a couple of internet cables, they have a different name. Couch, and this particular couch I think folds into a bed. Yes, it does. So, but it's big. Now normally there's a curtain here, but there's no curtain in this one. But it does have big TVs instead of little ones. Thermostat. Wait a minute. Thermostat. So dual temp, I guess. No numbers. No numbers. Just a little green line. See that outlet there? Another thing we discovered is we have a bunk bed. So this cabin should sleep 2 and 2 and 1. 5. I don't know if it listed that way, but it should. Of course, you have to get the room steward to open that. A chair. So 2 chairs and a couch. So we could spread out. But like I say, it's more room than we need. The balcony, the door slide's nice. This is cabin D114, and that door slide's very nice. It has fancier chairs than we normally find, like on a regular balcony. They recline, both of them, and they both have these little ottomans. Wood top table, wood top armrest. Although that might not be real wood, I think it is. And of course, since this is an old ship, it's got a wood top railing. And you've got the ceiling. But it's a good sized balcony, not huge or anything. This ship was built in 2006, and I understand it was last refurbished last year in 2022. I'm not sure what they did though. We just left Vancouver back there. Straight back, that's Vancouver. And we're headed to Alaska. North to Alaska. I will tell you a couple things about this cabin in particular. Well, all of Deck 9. Deck 9 is uncovered. You see that? There is not a bit of shade out here, except what, if the sun was on the other side of the ship. This cabin, since it's pretty far forward, has the bridge above it. So that's going to give us some shade, although in Alaska I don't think we're going to need shade. What I'm worried about is the rain. We are not coming out here in the rain. Well, unless we want to get wet. So that's cabin D114 on the Crown Princess. I imagine the other mini suites are very similar to it. This deck is full of mini suites. Deck 9, Dolphin deck. So, this is Gareth and Janet saying, we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Here we go, another one to me from Janet and Gareth. You, sir, are doing a good job. The Port Monkeys.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
Oh, everyone. We're one big family. We all do it together. It's absolutely amazing.
Excellent.
Well, there we go. Go and have a fabulous time. Thank you for joining us right here in the train.